What's going on? Andrew Peterson, your trusted realtor. Just checking in to give you a quick realtor tip. So if you're thinking about becoming a homeowner, you're not too sure, you just like don't really know where to start. So I'm gonna let you know today. What you want to do is you want to start by talking to a lender. That's the first thing that you want to do. You want to speak to a lender. A lot of people say like, hey, I don't even know if my credit score is good enough, or I don't know if I'm making enough money. Like, it's a lot of variables that goes into buying a home, and you, as a beginner, as a first-time homebuyer, you don't know what to think or what to do. So what you want to do is speak to a lender. A good lender is going to be able to run everything, run your credit, check your income, check your liabilities, and see exactly what your overall financial profile looks like. And then they'll be able to let you know if there is something that you need to do to your credit to get it in the place to where you can get pre-approved for a home loan. So remember, that's the first thing that you want to do. You want to speak to a lender. Don't look at any houses. Don't do that to yourself. Just go ahead, speak to a lender, see exactly how much you can get pre-approved for, and then go from there. So remember, first thing you want to do is talk to a lender. If you don't remember nothing else, first thing you want to do when you want to buy a house, talk to a lender. All right? Talk to a lender. Talk to you later.